Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Maureen De Javier, 32 years old, Filipina, Catholic, separated. I have one child. I have one brother. And two sisters. I'm second child in the family. I'm high school graduate. I have worked before as domestic helper here in Philippines. My duty is serving the family, cleaning the house, and wash dishes, and to do the laundry, ironing, marketing, and cooking. I can cook Filipino dishes. I love taking care of babies. I feed them milk on time, bathing, and change diapers, change clothes, play with them, and loving them as my own child. Mom, sir, I am honest, responsible, hardworking, reliable helper. Please hire me. I promise to serve and love your family as my own. I promise I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, ma'am, sir.